Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the planners that I am currently not using. We're going to be honest here. Well, I'm going to be honest because I'm the only one talking, but I get what I'm saying. I recently shared a video on the planners that I am using for Q2. But these were the planners that were in my planner stack for 2020 initially. And I'm going to go through each one and explain why I'm not using them. I don't think any of the systems are bad. Let me just say that. But as I have mentioned in previous videos, as life changes, our productivity tools have to adjust to meet those changes. And none of these really made the cut. I didn't find myself reaching for them. For me, planning should not be a chore. It should be something, for me, it's always been something that's therapeutic, and I never want to force myself to use something. That's not to say that down the line I won't pick up any of these and start using them again, but this is what I had in my stack that I haven't used in a good 2 months and that I won't be using going into Q2. If I do feel the need to pick any of it up, I'll do so, but for now, it's a no. So the 4 things that I have here, I have first up this 2020 My Journey Planner. I also have this huge notebook here, and then I have this Clever Fox notebook, and then this mini Happy Planner. So each one of these had its own purpose. Let's start off with the My Journey Planner. I did a review on this planner. I have talked about this planner. I really do like this planner. I just found myself not reaching for it a lot. So the last time I used this completely, I don't think I made it through a complete month. So I did make it through January. Some days were missing. February, I put some stickers down. I know that I did not touch it in the month of March at all. I love the concept of this planner. What I don't like and why I haven't used it is that I don't log this every single day. I also don't sit down and plan at my desk every single day. I don't keep track of my sleep like that. And some of these things I felt were redundant as far as my unhelpful thoughts and my helpful thoughts. And I also felt like my unhelpful thoughts and my helpful thoughts were merging into each other. It's just, I don't know. I did like the letter to myself section. She gave a great ideas, great template here on how to use this. But I just found myself not reaching for this. And I felt that I was also repeating my unhelpful thoughts and helpful thoughts on a daily basis. I like this. For certain days, I may reach for it, but I know that I didn't reach for it in the whole month of March. So I'm just going to table this right now. If I come back to it, cool. But I do still recommend this planner. I'm just in a different headspace now where I don't need to track my mood, my energy, my sleep. I wish I would have had this planner when I was hospitalized for my anxiety and depression back in the summer of 2018. This would have been great for me to use not only while I was there, but also when I got out. This would be great for that time in my life. But for this current season, it's just not what I'm reaching for. But I still love the aesthetic of the planner, and I do recommend it. And I also have a coupon code for this. And I'm not just recommending it to you guys. Let me be clear. I'm not recommending it to you guys because it was sent to me for review. Because sometimes that is misconstrued when people are giving reviews. I'm being straight up with you guys. It's just not working for me. But who's to say that it won't work for you? Also, again, that time in my life where I said this would have helped, it would. I like the layout of it, but I will say that the biggest con will be the redundancy that I felt and the chore I felt in having to do this. It was becoming too systematic and I just felt like it was a chore. So still, I love the layout of this. I really love that this is a solely dedicated mental health planner, because people that need to get started in the right directions to start changing your mindset, this is a great start to do that. So I still recommend it, but it's just not working for the season in my life. So that's that on the My Journey Planner. Then I had this big notebook here, which I can't even like show you guys all the stuff because it's like top secret. But look at that. Look at all this blank paper. But I was using this for, I was going to use this for all things Chaotic Critic and the book that I'm working on, but also to put like my notes and stuff on YouTube videos. This is not something that I'm carrying around all the time. I don't know what the hell I was thinking to actually carry this and like, you know, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I don't know. This is what is going to eventually become like just reference notes, but I'm not going to be making, I doubt that I'm going to make it through this in the whole entire year. As things pick up with my book and marketing and all that stuff to promote it, I'm sure I'll be using this more, but for now, my everyday carry, which is my half letter Discbound planner, which I have been loving and using for 6 months now, which I'm really, really happy about. But I have like that kind of reference information in here. This is just really, really big. I purchased this from CVS. I believe it was like $10. I love it because of the cover. It's a hardcover. I also love that the pages are perforated and can be ripped out, but it's just not, moving on. Just didn't use it. Then there were these two. This was going to be my fun planner before I got the Enlightenment planner, and I switched to just using the Enlightenment planner because it had this vertical layout, and I really missed the vertical layout of the Happy planner and using my stickers. So this was the next best thing, right? Next best thing. There we go. So this Clever Fox notebook right now just has some stuff. I just literally just threw it all out there. Didn't even read what I have. So I did put my decade highlights in here. Wow. And then I went through my 2019 memories, what I'm leaving, what I left in 2019. I also, it's really nothing in here. It's really nothing in here. But it's a dot grid notebook from Clever Fox. I do have a Clever Fox coupon code. I'll leave that for you guys in the description box. But I wanted to fill that void of not having a bullet journal, which is why I had added this to my planner stack. But and I was gonna write scriptures in here, and then I was like, I also have this happy planner, this mini happy planner that I was using as a faith planner, and I have like sermon notes and scriptures inside of here, right? But then I went and started using these two, this devotional and this notebook from Paper Sunday and this devotional from Hello Revival, and this I just never reached for it all year. So this just has cute stuff in it. It's really useful. I like it. I still love it a lot. But I just don't find myself reaching for this. And this was swapped out for the Enlightenment planner, but this was swapped out for the Hello Revival devotional, this here, which I pick up when I want to. And then this I use for sermon notes, and it's just a notebook from Paper Sunday. And that's what this was supposed to be for, all in one location. But maybe I'll come back to this. Maybe not a priority. But that is it. Those are the planners that I gave up, planners / notebooks. And I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. Here's the big old baby here. But those are the 4 systems I'm not using, why I'm not using them, and what I replaced them with. And I have a full video on the replacements that I'll have linked in the description box. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section below, and also let me know, was there a planner that you started using in January that you're no longer using, and why are you not using it? Would love to hear from you there. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, of course any reviews that I have in relation to what I shared in this video, coupon codes that I have for certain products, and all that other good stuff in the description box, plus the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.